Hey there, it's Laura Buzzell, and this video is going to show you how to tag yourself in a video on your like page on Facebook. Now, in the past, I was thinking that you couldn't do that because there's nowhere to really tag it. Even if you click on the video, um, there's nowhere to tag, right? So um, I've been just sharing these to my personal page so that people that I'm friends with will see the videos. But actually, I figured out that if you go to videos and you click here, first of all, it's neat. You can feature a video on your page, which I need to do that soon. But it'll show you all your videos that you've posted on your like page. And if you click on the words, it's going to take you to a different view of your video, and you can go ahead and tag that. So I'm going to tag myself, and I'm going to tag my husband, and I'm going to say done editing, and then we'll test it and see. Let's see here. So we're going to go to my personal page. Is it there? And it's there. And it's not shared. So it's not like I'm sharing to my personal page, because obviously I want them to be going to my Fitness Buzz page because I've closed my personal page and I want all traffic to go to the Fit Buzz page. So this is neat because it shows Laura was tagged in a video. And I think my husband has to approve all his tags, so it's probably not on his page. But the one I did from the other day, obviously, there it is on his page. And it's neat because the comments that people put, they go onto your like page and not onto the shared post. So if you're sharing your post, you're going to have two conversations going on about your post, but in this, everybody that comments on the like page, it's going to show up right here, and anybody of my friends that sees it, it'll show up right here too. So hope this helps. Have a great day, everybody.